What is up, everybody? Boy, am I excited. Why is that? Because take a look. We got another one. It is another one of my favorite bikes, the Puckipuppy. We've done a few of these, but what I'm really amazed about is how they continue to raise the bar, continue to make these bikes better, faster, more powerful. I want to read you some stats about this one. It is known as the Puckipuppy Golden R or Golden Retriever e-bike. Fast, high performance, electric mountain bike. It's got dual hub motors, fat tires. It's got full suspension, off-road durability, perfect for hunting adventures, they say. So I can't wait to see it. What is very interesting about this one is I know this is one of their more expensive bikes. This thing was going for $3,500, I believe. Then there was a Black Friday sale that brought it down around $2,000 or so. So make sure you check that out. But let's get this thing open and see what it is all about. I've had great success with everything that I have got from this company. Last year we did a three-wheeler, which was a ton of fun. And like I said, it's just amazing how they keep getting better. Just like motorcycles keep getting refined and better, these e-bikes keep getting better. So packaging keeps getting better as well, too. I don't know if I can... I always struggle getting these open. That's usually a good thing, though. And, you know, if anybody is looking for something to get from point A to point B or something to have a little fun on, I think this might be just what the doctor ordered. So let's see what okay, oh boy, here we go. And take a look inside because I'm always impressed with the way that they have dialed in and packed these bikes. 3 Puckapuppies I have had and not one has had a scratch on it. I don't want to throw any of these e-bike companies under the bus, but I have received a couple that were damaged. That's no fun when you order a new e-bike to get one all scratched up, banged up. So I think that they also send an extra accessory kit with this as well. That's a slight add-on, I believe. All kind of cool stuff in here. We'll check that out in a little bit. Oh, this looks, I can tell from right here. This is a high quality machine. Let's get this open. This is amazing too, though. One thing I want to say about e-bikes, and I'm being a total dad right now, so sorry guys, but make sure when you buy one of these things, especially one this fast, you got yourself a good helmet and good safety gear because you won't believe how fast you can get going. And this one here, I think you can go 80 miles, they were saying, on a charge. That's just unbelievable to me. And you got to be careful on these things, just like you're careful on a motorcycle. That's that was my first takeaway when I first started riding these. As I said, boy, you need to watch, because even if you're careful, let's be honest, we do know there are some crazy, and I mean crazy, drivers out there. All right, let's take a look at this sucker. Oh yeah, come on out in front here and you'll get a view. There it is. Take a look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This is a high quality shipping job, packing job. Thank you, Puckipuppy. You guys are awesome. I'm going to get to work and clip this thing and we'll see what we got here. But it looks like another beautiful bike. Great job, Puckipuppy. All right, we are unboxed, not a scratch on it. And I got to say, I hope this shows up on your video because this finish is really sleek. It's really different. It's really racy. Love the refined frame. I can tell they have made some changes since the last one. And the suspension is supposed to be the huge upgrade here, front and rear suspension. I've always been happy with my Puckipuppy suspension, but this one is supposed to be next level. As I explained, if you watched any of my previous videos, quality really does vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, model to model, and Puckipuppy is one of the more high-end machines. Now, as for the stats, 80-mile range is what they're claiming, which is just unbelievable. I think most of the bikes that I've reviewed have more like a 40 to 50-mile range. Top speed of 28 miles an hour. That's more power than we are used to. Might even be able to go toe-to-toe with the boosts. I don't know, at least in first gear at about 3,000 RPMs. But anyways, this is a different animal. Full suspension, as I said, 1,600 watt engine. And look at this, not much assembly. So let's finish this thing up. And I like that too. Note to all you e-bike manufacturers out there, I think I speak for the consumer when I say less assembly is a good thing. Nobody wants to be in the garage for hours and hours and hours putting these bikes together. It's beautiful though. Let's finish her up. Whew. And we are together. That wasn't too bad other than my old man back. I think I do need a ride on this thing. But, you know, guys, I am impressed. I got to say, this may be the most high quality e-bike I've ever put together. And check this out. I mean, this is the big thing that we haven't talked about that I'm excited to check out. Dual motors. I've never put together an e-bike with a motor up front. So I'm really curious how this is going to feel. All the componentry is great, as you would expect. You know, one little quirk I have, I'm not a huge fan of this style of fender, but it seems like Pickipuppy has it pretty dialed in. The components just seem to get more and more motorcycle-like every time I get one of these, because I know a lot of you are saying, why are you messing with these? Well, they keep sending them to me, and they're fun. So I can't wait to try this one. They say 8 hours for a full charge. Maybe we'll just cut that a little short for now just to go test it out. But other than that, guys, really impressed with the frame. Less than 100 pounds. I remember the ones that I got a couple years ago were way heavier than that. So let's go see what two motors can do. All right, moment of truth. Let's fire this baby up. This is always fun too, so come in here and see this. This is cool too. This new display, it actually detaches, which I think is pretty cool. So let's see if this thing's got enough juice to fire. Yes, it does. Pickipuppy. A lot of people interested about the name too. I did a little homework, and hopefully I'm right on this Pickipuppy, but I heard it's dog lovers who started the company, so every single bike is named after a dog. That's why this one is the Golden Retriever. So pretty cool. I love Golden Retrievers. I had one growing up. R.I.P. Daffy. Love you. And I love this Golden Retriever too. I think Daffy would be proud of this. All right. So first off, before we put it into pedal assist, let's go zero mode. I always like to just give it a few pedals just to make sure I put it together right, because I've been known to put things together to where they break. In my younger days, we're not going to go into that. I've progressed, but no, this feels good. Brakes feel good. Everything feels really good. Very stable and beefy bike. This feels like something you could roll down the trails. This feels like something you could roll on the beach. All right, so here we go. Let's turn it on. Now check this out. This is your power display right here. When you come in right now, it's in zero. You can put it into power speed 1. This is up to 5 speeds, I believe. 7-speed transmission. Let me see if it's 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 speeds of power. We don't want to start out in 5th. So let's start out in 1st. Here we go. First time ever hitting the switch on a dual motor. Oh, oh my God. That's definitely pulling. Oh yeah, here we go, 2nd gear. Woo! That's all right. I gotta try. We gotta try to go up a few more gears. Bear with me here. This is too much fun. Wow. All right. Here comes 5th. Wow, that is unbelievable. I got to put that down again. That's a different sensation right there. It's just, we just keep getting more and more powerful. Now, I'm not an experienced enough e-bike rider to tell you what 1600 watts is. Is that like 1600 TJ watts or JJ watts? I don't know. But I will say this, I can describe the feel, and out of every bike I've ever reviewed, I've never felt one with that much power. I mean, it's almost like when a vehicle's like an all-wheel drive vehicle almost. And it is an all-wheel drive vehicle, right? That's what it is. It's only 2, but man, this is just I should have my full face Simpson helmet on. I told you guys to wear a helmet. See, this is what happens. You take it out. So we will put the full face Simpson on. Wear your helmet, kids, but my goodness, this, dare I say, the most enjoyable e-bike I've ever been on. Not just saying that either. Let's get it back in the garage for final thoughts. Wow, I gotta say, I think it has earned a spot in the Cycle Drag Garage. Now, in terms of a motorcycle, I wouldn't sell your Hayabusa just yet, but this does scratch an itch, and this is fun. It's a lot of fun to play with. So I'm gonna get this thing fully charged, and what I'm gonna tell you is I've had a lot of great e-bikes come through here, but this one is the best so far. So because of that, I'm going to put a link down below and you guys can take advantage of some big time savings. Like I said, this bike started out super, super high. They've dropped the price on it. We've got a discount code to save you some money. So you guys can try it out for yourself. And if you have any ideas, and if you have any ideas of what I should do with this thing next, I might have to race a pit bike with this thing or whatnot. I will tell you this though. Here's what I'm gonna say. When it comes to riding this one, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. Make sure you wear your helmet. That thing is fast. 1,600 watts. A lot of fun though. Thank you guys so much for watching. More coming. Discount code below. Make sure you subscribe, and we will continue to keep you posted on the best e-bikes and motorcycles in the world. You know, Racing Jack has got your back.